Hi guys, I'm here live at Taman Saujana Hijau. This is actually a 41 acre of the park at Presint 11. Say hi to my friends here, Ian and Praise. They are very excited to walk around this park with me. Again, I just repeat that this is a 41 acres of park situated at Presint 11, Putrajaya, Northwest of Putrajaya. It's a very beautifully landscaped park. You can see, like, we have actually more than hundreds of species and beautiful pine trees around. So let's have a conversation with our little friends here about the park. They are running. They're having a jog here. By the way, this park actually has a 2.8 km trail for joggers. So I'm sure many people will enjoy it, and there are actually a lot of people actually coming to this park for wedding photos, graduation, and I see actually new and old couples actually taking photos around the park. And here actually there are three zones. Basically they have actually the garden zone, the European zones, and the Oriental zone. So you actually can see different species of plants and flowers around the different zones. Okay, I want to ask Ian.
No!
Okay, Praise, come. Praise, tell me about the park. What do you like most about the park?
I like the trees.
Like the trees?
It looks nice.
Yeah. So, how many times have you been here?
I forgot.
More than 2 times?
5 times.
Oh, almost 5 times. So, okay, overlooking this side of the park actually, you can see actually that there is a very beautiful landscape over the other side of the park. So, Praise, would you like to come again?
Okay.
Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed actually this little trail that we have gone through so far. Let me know what you think, and perhaps you can join me for this walkabout in the park one day. So I want to to ask Ian about questions on the trees. What do you know about the trees actually? What actually the benefits of trees?
Give us oxygen. I don't know what's fine, so I don't want.
Do you think people should actually protect the trees?
Yes, because then maybe the tree might come and protect us when they grow big arms and eyes.
So what do you think we should do?
And leave them alone. Plant some more trees.
Plant some more trees.
And also, how long in this mountain? It takes forever to get down.
So
Also, no one is commenting.
yeah,
Do you have a common section?
Tell me something about carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide is dangerous for you.
For our health, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so how does the tree
Also,
help us
Why is there
with
a
the
perfect,
carbon
Why is
dioxide?
there a perfect spot to jump off?
No, it's not. It's just basically the landscape. It's a different level. Yeah. Tell me something about the carbon dioxide that the trees help.
The trees take the carbon dioxide and turn into into O2.
Alright.
O2, and then later O2 turn to oxygen, then give it to us. And then if there were no trees, the only thing we will be breathing is CO2.
Yeah, so there's no oxygen, right?
And lucky nobody's chatting because I know what the idea is.
And how about do you think the trees actually?
Everybody left.
Do you think the trees actually feel stress?
When they're crying, yes.
They're crying. Why they cry? Why do you think they cry?
Because scientific studies show that because they have feelings.
Yeah, because they are sometimes when they are being cut down, also they will feel stress, right?
By this too high pitch that you cannot hear.
Yeah, scientifically actually proven that when someone actually cut the trees, you can actually hear the popping sound, meaning to say they are actually stressed, and they are actually in a way, in our words,
when they're not
stressed,
when nobody's talking, yay!
And sad.
Why isn't one person talking? You make restrictions?
No.
But then one was chatting though.
Yeah, we have more friends joining us for this nature walk.
I saw one person comment and nobody commenting. Wait.
Yeah.
Oi! There we go.
What do you love most about this park here?
It doesn't make me go crazy, I guess.
Sorry?
It doesn't make me go crazy unlike now.
Oh.